Do you need to submit your income tax return to SARS because you're not included or do not agree with your auto-assessment? In this session, we will take you through the ITR12 wizard questions to help simplify and help you create a personalized tax return with the ITR12 wizard questions. Ready to get started? Gather your documents, log into your SARS e-filing profile, and open your income tax return, where the ITR12 wizard questions will guide you to tailor-made your income tax return. Make sure you read each question carefully to select the correct answer for your specific needs. The first question will ask you if you are completing the tax return as a tax practitioner. Mark this section with an X if you are a tax practitioner submitting on behalf of a taxpayer. Remember, if you are submitting on your own behalf, you must not mark this section. If you mark the tick box, a warning message will ask you to confirm if you are a tax practitioner and select yes or no. The next question will be locked that asks you to mark with an X if you are a foreign national and not a RSA tax resident. This means if you need to mark this section, you need to submit a non-resident tax return. Navigate to the South African Revenue Service website. Click on the SARS online query system icon and select the non-resident tax return type. Complete the personal details as prompted and follow the instructions for submission. The next question asks if the taxpayer ceased to be a tax resident of the RSA. This question will as well be locked. This must be marked with the X if you are leaving the country and immigrate to another country. To activate the question, complete the registration amendments and verification 01 form available on your e-filing profile and select Code 4 Non-Resident under Taxpayer subcategory to change the income tax registration status. Complete the details as prompt and follow the instructions for submission and submit to SARS. For more information, refer to the guide on the SARS website for further assistance on how to complete the registration amendments and verification form. The next question will ask you to mark with an X if you were unemployed for the full year of assessment. This refers to the period from the 1st of March up to the end of February month the next year. The next question asks you if you were unemployed for any period during this year of assessment. If yes, the next question will be populated. Please indicate for how many periods were you unemployed. A maximum value of 5 is allowed. Remember, each continuous period of unemployment during the year of assessment is considered as one period. For example, if you were unemployed from January to March and then again from August to October, you will enter this as 2 separate periods. Your answers to these questions will be used to customize the rest of the tax return for your needs. Need more information on how to use the wizard? Make sure to be on the lookout for our next videos, where we will focus on an individual who received remuneration-related income and incurred typical expenditure such as medical expenses paid, travel expenses against a travel allowance, and many more. Need help? SARS offers various support channels from their website to an AI virtual assistant. Tax help is just a click away. SARS at your service.